In this video, I'll show you how to make a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva so you can create a fully clickable interactive planner. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and search for Planner Landscape. Choose a landscape layout so it fits perfectly on tablets like iPads. Once your planner template opens, start customizing it. Edit the cover page, change the colors, adjust fonts, and set up your main sections like yearly, monthly, weekly, and notes. Each section should be on its own page. Now create navigation tabs. Add small shapes or text along the side or top of your planner, such as Jan, Feb, Mar, or Week, 1, Notes, etc. These will act as clickable buttons. Here's the important part. Select a tab or text you want to make clickable. Click the link icon in the top toolbar. Instead of pasting a website, choose Page in this document and select the page you want that tab to jump to. Click Apply. Repeat this process for all your tabs and navigation buttons so every section is connected. To test your links, click Present and try clicking the tabs to make sure they jump to the correct pages. Once everything works perfectly, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Standard. This format keeps your hyperlinks active for use in apps like GoodNotes or other PDF annotation apps. And that's it. That's how you create a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.